Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today, episode 3, Hangar Flying, we're going to talk about the Project Tiger. Not a lot to talk about because we've been working on other airplanes, but stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So this week on the Project Tiger, we didn't get a lot done. Now we did go out and we did match the paint, both the red and the white. They're Emron 5000. We did get 2 ounces of each color to do touch-ups on the aircraft, and along with some paint for the bafflings and some other material. $229 in paint this week. And then the only other thing that's really gone on with the airplane is that we have added all new interior brake hoses to the pile of parts to be added to the airplane. As you've seen, we've already put the external steel braided brake lines on the gear legs, but those are the brake lines, and there are 6 of them for the cabin that'll be going in. And then we did a little polishing around the buttonholes, took the metal out, cleaned out all the rust, touched up paint, and then put some plastic plugs that will go back in. So we'll keep adding to the pile of parts, and we'll take some video when we start to put them on the airplane. Not much going on, so stay tuned when we don't have real airplanes in the shop. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.